Do you want to speak English fluently, but you feel stuck? Maybe you know a lot of words. You understand grammar. But when it's time to speak, you freeze. The words just won't come out. That's okay. You're not alone. Today, I'll tell you the story of someone just like you, and a simple method that really works. And you can start using it today. This is Aisha. She lives in a small city in Egypt. She always dreamed of speaking English fluently. To travel, to meet people from other countries, to have a better job. She studied English in school for years. She could read, she could write, she even understood videos. But when she tried to speak, she froze. The words came out slowly. She felt nervous and embarrassed. She thought, maybe I'm just not good at speaking. But then she discovered something simple, something anyone can do. She called it listen, pause, speak. Every day she listened to a short English clip, just 3 to 5 minutes. Then she paused. And then she spoke. At first, she repeated exactly what she heard. The weather is nice today. She said, the weather is nice today. Easy, right? But then she started saying the same idea in her own way. It's a beautiful day today. This is called imitation. And it's one of the most powerful ways to become fluent. Here's how you can use this method. Step 1. Start small. Listen to short, simple sentences. Pause, repeat out loud. She is reading a book. You say, she is reading a book. Step 2. Say it your way. Listen again. Pause. Then say the same idea with your own words. He didn't go to work because he was sick. You say, he was sick, so he stayed home. Step 3. Tell the story. Listen to a short story. Pause. Then retell the story in your own words. Don't worry about small mistakes. Just focus on the main ideas. This works because you practice speaking out loud. You learn real, natural English. You stop being afraid of making mistakes. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a partner. You just need your voice, a little time, and the belief that you can do it. At first, you might feel slow. That's okay. Fluency doesn't mean speaking fast. Fluency means speaking naturally. Even Aisha felt shy at first, but after just a few months of practicing every day, she could speak longer sentences with confidence. And so can you. Remember, listen, pause, speak, start small, then move to bigger stories. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for a partner. Start today. One step at a time. One sentence at a time. You will get better every day. I believe in you.